Hi there, and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to enrich company data directly from company websites, helping you find key information, employees, and business emails. First, navigate to a company's website and click on the Skrapp Chrome extension in your toolbar. From there, you'll see essential company details as well as employees. To access verified business emails and more information, click Get Emails. This will take you to the Skrapp.io app search tool, where you can choose to find individual emails or get them in bulk. To run a bulk search, click Get Emails, select the number of emails you want, choose a destination list, and a new email search will be created. Once the process is complete, simply navigate to your list to see your newly enriched leads. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime at support@skrapp.io.